All right, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So, normal. Normal. Something standard or expected. Normal. It was a normal day. We just had a normal party. Nothing special. Nothing special. Yeah, nothing special. That was a normal event. It was okay. It was okay. Yeah. We always have normal times together. Yeah, we only ever do normal things. Yeah, nothing else really. These glasses are pretty normal. Normal. These glasses are pretty normal. What did you expect? Yeah. How normal is she? She has not been normal in years. Years. No. We're all unique. We are all unique. Those were normal days. Those were normal days, yeah. These were normal documents until I changed them last year. Until I changed them last year. Yeah. She's having a normal discussion with me. We're just talking normally. We are just talking normally. Yeah. Well, we are having a normal discussion. Yeah. Nothing special. Normal. How cool is that? Can we please just have a normal time together? Oh, when? When are you going to be a normal family? When are you going to be a normal family? How can you be so normal? How can you be so normal? The world is so unique and different and so many opportunities. How can you be normal? Ugh. No. So, language explorers, can you use normal in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.